The Vintage Cruiser by Gulfstream. It's a travel trailer. It's got rear external speakers, LEDs under the awning. This is a 19 CSK model number. When you first walk in, we have a hanging closet in the rear, along with your two-door fridge with colored panels on it. And we have our bathroom. Wow, the shower, stand-up shower with curved shower with roller doors. Sink with some counter space. A new toilet. Ceiling fan, of course, and then a little.
It has a couch on it.
No, there's a table.
Here's
on the
our
bed.
price.
Yeah.
For a brand new one.
There's a fold-up table.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I've seen those before.
Got our kitchen,
Nice bright blue to match the couch.
microwave. Got your stove and range, oven, with your kitchen cabinets above and below the kitchen area.
Little TV off the side.
The TV is a small TV on an arm you can swing out,
And the dinette table.
with your open bedroom and curtains you can pull across.
You have a dinette table. You just put it on the couch here.
This is a fold-up dinette style table you can probably take outside or use inside, that you would set in front
Oh, it's white with blue trim. Okay.
of the sofa area to eat.
Looks like it's cool bedding to go with it.
Got a comforter top that's a travel decor
Postcards.
of supposedly like postcards. You got pillowcases that say Vintage Cruiser on them. So if you're into vintage cabinets, it does have a slide. If you're into a vintage style trailer, this might be an option.
Small sinks.
Small kitchen sinks, Tina says, but Vintage Cruiser by Gulfstream.